How to remove or delete permanently unwanted URLs from Google Search Console. This is my site, Stories of Love and Hate. Some original stories all written by me. Let's move on to the Google Search Console. That's the site I'm going to work on. Well, it's a new site. Let's click and check on the coverage issues. So, there you can see I have been awarded by Google 13 coverage issues, and I really don't know from where they have come. Let's scroll further down. Let's click on the errors. There you are. Let me tell you one important thing. When you shift or transfer your site from Blogger to WordPress, some unwanted URLs get created due to the change of theme and plugins. Because in Blogger you are not having any plugin facility. All these URLs are unwanted ones, and keep only the important ones. Redirect them, and rest just remove them permanently. You know very well, too many redirects will slow down your site considerably. Click on removals. I have opened a separate link for easy access so that I can show you properly. So click on removals. Here you can see I have already assigned some URLs for permanent removal. Here you click on new request. Let's copy the URL for removal. I will copy this one and paste here. Remember, this is not your permanent solution for these URL removals. These URLs will be recrawled by Google search engines after 6 months. So the permanent solution is we need to inform search engines not to recrawl them permanently. So for that, we have to go to our WordPress site and do the necessary, which I will show you later. So keep watching further. Clear cache URL means it will clear the cached page and will wipe out the page description snippet in search results until the page is recrawled again. So both are almost similar as temporary removals. Remove all URLs with this prefix means Google will keep the URLs hidden for 180 days only, and then you will need to take further action as what you want to do with your URLs. So click on next button without wasting time. The request is submitted. Let's go to our WordPress site. I have logged in already. Go to your Yoast SEO. Click on Tools. Next, click on File Editor. You can see here I have disallowed few URLs already. Let's go to coverage issue and copy the URL. Ensure that you copy the disallow with every URLs I have done here. Ensure that you copy the disallow with every URLs as I have done here. That means you are indicating to Google not to crawl this link after 6 months. Well, that's it. I trust this video will help you surely. And if it does, then don't forget to give me a like so that I will know that you guys like my work. Also, hit that subscription button, please. Well, take care and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.